In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take SurveyMonkey surveys multiple times. Firstly, go ahead and navigate to SurveyMonkey's website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be given the choice to log in with various options. For simplicity, click on Google, and go ahead and choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. This streamlines the process if you have your surveys tied to your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Here you'll want to focus on the project section. This is where all your surveys live. If you're looking to work on a specific survey, this is where you'll start. Now, to access the settings of your specific survey, you'll see three dots, or what we call an options menu, next to your survey listing. Click on these three dots. It's a small button, but it's your gateway to all the edits and settings you can do for your survey. After clicking on the dots, choose the Edit Survey option. This allows you to enter the back end of your survey where you can adjust questions, designs, and settings. For our purpose today though, we're focused on how to collect the responses. To set up your survey for multiple collections of responses, you'll want to navigate to the option that says Collect Responses in the menu at the top. Click on that. It's a crucial step as this is where you'll manage how your survey is shared and how responses are collected. In the Collect Responses section, you're going to see several options for collecting survey responses. One of them will be Web Link 1 inch, or a similar name if you've personalized it. Click on this link. This provides a URL that you can share with respondents to take your survey. Here's the key part for allowing multiple responses from the same user. Look for an option that says Multiple Responses. Once you find it, click on it. It might seem like a small thing, but it's what enables your survey to be taken more than once from the same device or by the same user, which is exactly what we're aiming for. After clicking on multiple responses, you'll need to switch the option to on to allow the survey to be taken multiple times from the same device. This is an essential step because by default, SurveyMonkey surveys are set to only allow one response per device to ensure the uniqueness of responses. By switching this on, you are enabling a repeated collection of responses which might be necessary for your specific survey needs. And there you have it. Your SurveyMonkey survey is now set up to be taken multiple times from the same device. This could be particularly useful for testing, educational purposes, or any scenario where you need multiple entries from the same participants. Remember to review your survey settings and questions to ensure everything is set up as you want it before fully launching your survey. Happy surveying!